It's been 8 months, but that's not going to stop us. We're doing Boogieman Sam. The only difference is I have a mullet now, so here we go. I'm going to do Old Locomotive next week. I'm going to start doing weekly videos until we hit 1,000 subscribers. And then I'm going to keep doing weekly videos. So I'm motivated now. Let's go. You know, it's just been a long time of procrastination, but we're back in it.
So here we go.
Alright, you guys, you know what's going on. The numbers are going to be on the screen somewhere. I got my new studio. We're going full-time YouTuber. No joke. Alright, so Boogieman Sam. The basic variation of this is a 3 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, quick 3 blow. Another version is just doing 3 draw to a 4 draw. He kind of does them both throughout the song, so I'll play them both real quick. Just the intro 3 notes. So the first variation, just like that. And the second variation, the 3 draw, 4 draw. Okay, so real simple. Next, it's a little bending draw on the 3 note. And then just a 2 blow. Sorry about that, got a phone call there. So, we left off, where did we leave off? The walk down. So that's the walk down, 3 draw bend to a 2 blow. So I'll play that first half of the intro all together. Okay, and then the second half of the intro, instead of doing a 3 draw walk down, it's just a 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw. So it's that 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw. Alright, so I'll play the whole intro together. Yeah, it's really easy, really fun to play. Once you just get the hang of moving around. Like I said before, the other variation that he plays, instead of doing a 3 blow, 4 draw, sometimes it's just a 3 draw, 4 draw. And you can kind of work with both of those depending on your comfortableness with the song and with the harmonica. Yeah, so let's move on to the ending little solo part. So the ending solo, it's basically the same as the intro riff. You're just going to be moving some parts around a little bit, but not even that much. He leads into it with the intro riff, so you're going to replay the whole intro again. And then leading into it, you're going to play the solo. And I'll play the solo real quick. So that's basically the solo, played a couple times over. Of course the numbers are going to be on the screen. The draws, you're really going to be bending, and when you're bending on this, he kind of moves his jaw around like you're going whoa whoa. I don't know how to explain it that well, but you kind of do a little bouncing bend. So it's not just a single bend, it's kind of a double bend, right back on top of each other. So that's the solo. We'll play the first part real quick. So 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, back to 4 blow, 3 draw, 3 blow. That's the first half of it. And then the second half is the same thing, but instead of ending on a 3 blow, you go to a 2 blow and then a 3 blow. Yeah, that doesn't take too long, especially if you're good at the intro, you'll be good at this little solo. And then another part that he does a 4-5 draw Wails on that a little bit. So yeah, he just does that little 4/5 draw, and then you kind of repeat that intro. 4/5 or 4 draw, 4 blow, 3/3. That little walk down. Really get that walk down focused. Really focus on that walk down and get that down. I think that's going to be the really key part to learning this song well. Next is just a little part that he plays at the end, where it's just a 2 blow a couple times and then a 2 draw. And then he always comes back to that 4/4/3/3. It's super fun to play. I mean, I've been jamming out to Boogieman Sam forever. I'm still not super great at it, but it's a lot of fun. Just D harmonica, picked it up, put the song on in the background, and just play to it. You know, you'll get the rhythm of it. Maybe slow it down a little bit if you need to. Yeah, it's a great song, and that's pretty much the whole tutorial. Like I said before, we're doing Old Locomotive next week. Weekly videos. We're gonna get grinding again. Doing a whole bunch of harmonica tutorials. Maybe some more Murlocs. I'm gonna do some Grateful Dead. I'm gonna throw Grateful Dead in there just for the heck of it. I'm a big fan. I listen to them all the time, and might as well mix it up a little bit. You know, we want to diversify a little, not just King Gizzard, even though that's all I listen to. But yeah, so keep an eye out for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like. We're trying to get 1,000 subs. That's gonna be big. So let's do it. See you next week.